about the ecology of microorganisms in the soil, the bees who pollinate our food, and you, the everyday ecologists who are growing the change we need to see. There's been such a positive response to this music that I feel it's time to grow a whole CD album. And that's where you come in. I need you to help me germinate these songs of environmental education. Your involvement will give us the nitrogen we need to bring this project into full fruition. That's music videos, that's recording, that's collaborating with a bunch of incredible artists to really bring it together in this cross-pollination of music and science. I plan to make a companion booklet, digital release, and educational resources for teachers, parents, and students alike to really bring this project and make it useful across our communities. It won't just be a CD. It's coming with educational resources for parents, teachers, and students to really bring all this learning into experiments out in the garden and connect that sustainability science with the music that we're sharing. You can help this project grow by contributing to the Crowdfunder. There you can also forage for extra info and tasty rewards, should you wish to donate more. Any contribution will help bring this project to life. And sharing this video will help cross-pollinate the project amongst our greater community. Thank you for helping this CD bloom.